Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video tonight on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful evening wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP. And right now on X, there's a few different narratives going around with XRP. One of them is XRP is set for this massive parabolic move to happen at any moment. Other people are saying, not so fast. XRP has to go below $1 before we get confirmation of that breakout. And then you have people saying that we're in a prolonged bear market now. Don't expect any price movement for the next couple of years. This comes from Blockchain Backer. Bear markets in the crypto space historically conclude and enter into accumulation and bottoming formations once the 2-week MACD has its 9-week EMA crash to the lows, which are in orange right here. This marked bear market bottom building in 2014, 2018, and 2022. It has occurred in 2026. So now people believe we're not going to see any price movement for XRP for the next couple of years. And by the way, this is the Bitcoin chart right here. But here's what I see happening. You cannot look to the past to see where XRP goes from here. Because what is lined up for XRP very soon? First, you got clarity. That's going to be huge for utility-driven cryptocurrencies, followed by institutional adoption. And I think XRP is going to grab a decent percentage of institutional adoption. Second half of this year, we're going to see a major rise in tokenization. Trillions of dollars worth of assets are coming on chain by the end of 2026. I think the XRP ledger will capture a decent percentage of that as well. So how the hell is XRP going to stay at these price levels? It doesn't even make sense for that to happen. And that's why I believe by the end of this year, we're either going to be high double digits or possibly even 3 digits by the time we go into 2027. Everything is already set to happen over the coming weeks. And as they're bringing all of these assets on chain and all this values coming on chain, there is no way in hell XRP is sitting where it's sitting today. David Schwartz reveals why XRP fees can suddenly spike without warning. XRP ledger activity recently surged near 200 transactions per ledger, a threshold rarely reached in the network's history. So what they're talking about is the fees going up on transactions because of the momentum that's happening right now on the XRP ledger. Now, David Schwartz said that the fees are going to be adjusted, that validators are working on that right now. But one thing is for sure, momentum on the XRP ledger, it's building, and that's not happening for no reason at all. Something big is absolutely coming. This comes from Smoke. Yes, Ripple is an investor in Securitize, and now Securitize has been named as the first transfer agent eligible to mint blockchain native securities on the upcoming New York Stock Exchange affiliated tokenized securities platform, Ripple plus Securitize and the New York Stock Exchange. And you see the announcement right here. You know, everything is coming on chain. And right now, we are in the early days of that happening. By the second half of this year, we're going to see trillions upon trillions of dollars onboarding. And I believe Ripple is already in a very good position for that to happen on the XRP ledger, a decent percentage of that. And I'm telling you now, it's going to change the price of XRP quickly when that happens. He's right. We don't even know how much XRP the government owns. Take a listen to this.
And I guess you can totally expect that they knew that whoever won, they could just push harder to that side and do particularly well. But like, we don't even know how much XRP, Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin the United States government even holds. We don't even know what that strategic stockpile is because we can't even get an audit on it.
And we also don't know how much of the XRP escrow is pre-allocated. I'm sure some of that escrow that Ripple has, it's going to the IMF, the BIS, the World Bank, ECB, other central banks. I'm sure some will end up at the U.S. government also. But we are at a time now where everybody wants to see behind those NDAs. They think they're going to get to see that once the Clarity Act gets passed. I think some of those NDAs, we're never going to know who they're with. We're just going to see XRP surging in price without any big headlines because institutional adoption is about to take off like never before. XRP spot inflow just exploded in 233% increase, enabling the possibility of a long-term retrace. And all this XRP, every single day you see whales accumulating, a lot of XRP leaving the exchanges, heading to cold storage. This is all happening right now before the Clarity Act even gets passed. I think some of this is institutional accumulation of XRP. I mean, some of the amounts that they're buying up, it's just insane. That's why I said you cannot sell your XRP too soon. If you sell thinking a major pullback is coming, the whales are going to buy up that XRP the second you sell it. Soon, the institutions are going to be buying up your XRP the second you sell it. For the first time ever in 2026, we're actually talking about scarcity when it comes to XRP. There's even articles written about scarcity possibly happening before we even get to summer. And I don't know if any of you seen this, but Melania Trump suggests using humanoid robots as teachers moving forward. Take a listen.
Imagine a humanoid educator named Plato. Access to the classical studies is now instantaneous. Literature, science, art, philosophy, mathematics, and history. Humanity's entire corpus of information is available in the comfort of your home. Plato will provide a personalized experience, adaptive to the needs of each student. Plato is always patient and always available. Predictably, our children will develop deep critical thinking and independent reasoning abilities.
I cannot even believe they had a humanoid robot at the White House earlier today. But this shows you that the shift is already happening. We are moving towards AI so fast right now. What are your thoughts on robots as teachers moving forward? And take notice, she also said that your children could be homeschooled by these humanoid robots also. Here's the way I look at it. I think our education system is somewhat broken, and I think it's because we have teachers pushing their agenda more than educating the children. At least the AI, the robot, is not going to be doing that. It's going to stick to the curriculum and actually teach the kids. It's not going to sit down and play on their phone while the kids are sitting there doing nothing also. This could be a good thing, this could be a bad thing, but one thing it definitely points out is that AI is already advancing at a very alarming rate. Trump to appoint Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Ellison, and Jensen Huang to the Science and Technology Advisory Board. There was also a lot of other names on that list as well. But this shows you who the winners are. This shows you who's going to be pushing technology going forward. And like I said, the government always picks winners and losers in the United States. Even the fact that Ripple went to the White House, met with Trump, that was already a given. That was meant to happen from day one. It was already happening back when Trump was the president last time around. And they were even talking about a digital dollar back then, like 2019, 2020. They were even talking about stimulus being paid in digital dollars back then as well. So you already know where this goes from here. And that's why I always urge people, you don't like central bank digital currency, you don't like digital ID, it doesn't matter. I don't like those things either. But I'm going to capitalize on it while I still can. It's not like you're going to stop this from happening. This is already happening. Macro guru Raul Paul just said AI agents will explode the price of Bitcoin. But that's not exactly what he said. Take a listen.
It's been a process. We've all been in this for quite a long time, and the process is still unfolding. And I know it's you hear it all the time. We're early. We're still very early. We haven't got the big capital allocations from the big pension plans because they need to understand the volatility. The companies are just going public. They're just maturing. We've just got another complete shock, which is to understand that the TAM of this entire thing is much bigger than we ever imagined because of agents. But agents are super early. That only happened in the last 4 months. It's been the fastest adoption of any technology the world's ever seen is the agentic side from OpenClaw, the most number of GitHub stars in the shortest period of time in history. So it's happening at lightning speed, and price is not always the main indicator. Price will catch up to the economic activity that these guys are talking about because it's vast, much bigger than people imagine.
Now, one thing I will say, Raul Paul is pushing the idea that these AI agents, they're all going to adopt Bitcoin and utilize Bitcoin when they're paying each other. No, they're not. And I believe that's the new narrative they're trying to set for Bitcoin. Because you cannot transact. Could you imagine all of these AI paying each other and waiting for those transactions to settle? Because Bitcoin can only handle 7 transactions per second. So if billions upon billions of transactions are going to be happening every day, guess what? It's not going to be happening with Bitcoin. I believe that's the narrative they're setting now, because they want to keep that belief system in Bitcoin alive. However, he is right. AI agents, they are advancing so quick. Everything is blowing up around AI agents right now. It's massive. And as they're pushing forward, you're going to see a lot of automated. You're going to be able to use an AI agent to get money from your crypto every single day. You'll be out doing whatever you want to do, and your AI agent will be making you money 24 hours a day. That's the future, and that is already here. This comes from XRP Bag. Somewhere right now, a person who called XRP a scam in 2020 is Googling how to buy XRP and hoping nobody sees their search history. I remember 2020. It was catastrophic. When that Rippleverse SEC case started, the price of XRP plummeted so fast, and everybody everywhere was like, sell your XRP now, it's going to zero. But here we are now in 2026, and I'm sure a lot of people that sold in 2020 wish they could go back and get XRP at those prices again. But I always tell people, it doesn't matter when you get into XRP, as long as you get in before all the institutional adoption happens. And that is already coming. Time is running out. The window is about to close on retail when it comes to XRP. And he also pointed out this $91 wick occurred around late November 2025. It's going around X again. From glitches to riches. Only XRP glitches. I just talked about it in a video yesterday. And it's strange that every once in a while, you will see these glitches into the tens of thousands of dollars. Why that high? I mean, this one would be considered conservative compared to some of those other glitches. And that's what makes me believe it's them testing it at different price levels. Because some of these price levels, it doesn't make sense for it to be an error on the exchange. It's something else that's happening. We don't have confirmation of it, but when you look at it and try to get, put sense into this and say, okay, well, XRP just glitched to 21 grand. Why that specific number? It's like somebody chose that number in the background to test XRP at that specific price level. That's my honest thoughts on the glitches. But one day you're going to wake up very soon and XRP will already be at $91. And people are going to become millionaires very quick when it happens. Other people, all they have to do to get to millionaire status is hold it for just a little while longer. Because when the banks come out of the testing phase, I believe almost every single person that is still holding XRP when that happens, they will most likely reach millionaire status. But until it does happen, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.